In order to transfer the model to SAPFIR, it is necessary to go to the Export to SAPFIR tab in the LIRA-SAPR plugin. Parameters that are set in the Triangulation Parameters and Analytical Materials tabs are assigned to the elements of the analytical model and transferred to SAPFIR. Now let's talk about export options. There are three options for a model export. The first option, Export Analytical Model. In this case, the analytics prepared in Revit will be transferred to SAPFIR, and the physical model will be generated based on the analytical model. Second option, Export 3D Model to IFC file. In this case, the physical model of the Revit will be transferred into SAPFIR and the analytics will be built by physics in SAPFIR. And the third option, we export the analytical model and the physical model at the same time. In this case, we will be able to save the physical model from Revit with its dimensions and level of elements. We will also be able to save previously prepared analytics as shown in the picture. Check the Open in SAPFIR checkbox and click the Export button. The SAPFIR program opens. In the dialog box Import IFC Settings, you must set some import parameters. If you want to see architectural objects, trees, furniture, cars, etc. after the import of the model, check the box Import Architectural Objects. Next, you need to select the level of analytics in the slabs. I will leave slab top. We will use the second export option where the analytics are generated by physics. It is also possible to generate meshed model by analytical model from Revit. In this particular case, this checkbox will not bother us, but if suddenly you will edit the model in SAPFIR, it is better to uncheck this checkbox. Next, the Parameters tab allows you to import different IFC parameters for each model element. Click Apply, and the physical and meshed models are formed. Before analysis, there are several operations that must be done. On the Create tab in the Loads panel, open the Load Cases dialog box. Delete empty load cases. These are standard load cases that are generated by SAPFIR. Select them and click the Delete button. If you have prepared a meshed model in Revit, go to the tab Analytics and run the analysis. But if you were working in a physical model in SAPFIR, the analytical model needs to be updated. Click the button Check Parameters and Refresh Model. Assign the parameters Extend twice. If necessary, set more detailed values of this parameter. Next, click on Intersect and Triangulate. The triangulation parameters can be edited as well. Press OK, and the meshed model is updated. After that, we can send the model to LIRA-SAPR for analysis. Thank you for your attention.